You want a toy review?
Yeah. This one is the Sakura.
But we don't have money to buy that. But you still want to toy review?
Yeah.
Pag dumami subscriber mo, tsaka nagkakaroon ka na ng maraming income. So you can buy toys and you can review it in your YouTube channel, right? So
I'm gonna show you.
you're going to show them the toys and you're going to review it. But we need more subscriber, right?
Yes. If you want more.
If you want toys, if you want to review the toys, we need subscriber.
Yeah.
So invite them to watch your YouTube channel and subscribe.
Okay, subscribe in the like, comments, and the bing bang, man. Bing bang, boom. Bing bang, like button and the subscribe. And
So you can